we'll discuss a key advantage of having the data in a single repository, the analysis options that this makes available to us. Algorithms are key for analyzing data. They're powerful because they allow us to take interdependencies and complexities and distill that information into something understandable and actionable. A key part of this is being able to do analysis across domains. For example, looking at technology and application roadmaps, application health rolled up to business capabilities, application control for data levels, and capability evaluations. We can add another level of analysis by introducing target states. Target states allow us to take the suggested outcomes of those evaluations and build out what the architecture will look like when we make changes to achieve those business outcomes. This may involve designing new systems or products, building new services and processes, and hitting specific goals and objectives. This enables KPI-driven comparison of target and current states and provides a blueprint for planning and implementing changes.